Let knowledge flow like a river, without any hindrance. Don't make it like a stagnant pool. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the world of Excel. Hey, Excel enthusiasts. I'm PS Chatterjee, and welcome back to your channel. Today's video is titled, Learn Index, Match, VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP in Excel like a pro. As you might have guessed from the title, today I've arranged an exciting tour into the world of powerful Excel functions, index, match, VLOOKUP, and HLOOKUP. These functions are essential for anyone looking to manage data efficiently, streamline workflows, and unlock Excel's full potential. By mastering them, you'll save time, avoid errors, and elevate your Excel skills to the next level. So, whether you're a student, a professional, or just an Excel enthusiast, fasten your seatbelt and stay tuned. Today's journey will take you to the doorstep of the professional world of Excel. If you find these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Hit the notification bell so you'll never miss my latest videos. Have questions or suggestions for future tutorials? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Let's continue leveling up your Excel skills together. Now, let's dive into the next part of the video, VLOOKUP first. In this video, you'll discover how to create an automated price list for smartphones using the Excel function VLOOKUP. On the dashboard, you'll see a table titled Demonstration of Excel function VLOOKUP. Below the title are 4 columns with the headings, Smartphone Name, Price, Discount, and Net Price. Cell A3 contains a drop-down menu where you can select the smartphone name. While I haven't yet explained how to create drop-down menus using data validation on my channel, don't worry, my next video, Create Simple and Dynamic Drop-Down Menus in Excel of Your Own, will cover this. At the bottom of this table, there's another table listing. Column 1, Smartphones available in India. Column 2, their prices in Indian rupees. Column 3, applicable discounts %. Practical scenario. Imagine this, I'm a sales manager at a busy electronics store. My team sells gadgets like laptops, smartphones, and headphones. When customers ask for a product price, instead of flipping through long price lists, I use my Excel price lookup table. For example, you walk in and ask, "Hello Mr. Chatterjee, can you tell me the price of the new smartphone?" Instead of searching manually, I use VLOOKUP to instantly fetch the details. Let me show you how. How to use VLOOKUP. To find the smartphone's price. In cell B3, we'll display the price of the selected smartphone. Copy the formula equals VLOOKUP, A3A7C21, 2 false, from cell A4 and paste it into B3. Here's what it means. A3, the selected smartphone model. A7C21, the data range. 2, the column index number for the price. False, ensures an exact match is returned. In cell C3, which is the discount column, copy and paste the formula equals VLOOKUP, A3A7C21, 3 false, from cell A5. The only difference here is the column index number, which is 3, for the discount. In cell D3, calculate the net price, price after discount. Copy the formula equals B3C3 asterisk B3 from cell A6 and paste it into D3. Here, B3 represents the price, and C3 represents the discount percentage. Demonstration. Currently, the table shows hashtag N/A in B3, C3, and D3 because the selected cell, A3, is blank. Let's select some smartphones to see how this works. Apple iPhone 15. Price, 79,900. Discount, 10%. Net price, 71,910. Samsung Galaxy S24. Price, 89,999. Discount, 5%. Net price, 85,499. OnePlus 12. Price, 64,999. Discount, 0%. Net price, 64,999. Conclusion. With just a few formulas, VLOOKUP makes pricing tasks quick and efficient. In the next video, we'll explore another powerful Excel function, VLOOKUP, and see how it can be just as effective. I was the sales manager at a busy electronics store. Just like the imaginative Mungari Lal, I am now changing my designation from sales manager to warehouse manager, for the sake of sharing knowledge about the Excel function VLOOKUP. Thank goodness, I am still working as a manager. Now, as a warehouse manager, I oversee a vast inventory of electrical gadgets. My task is to quickly determine the quantity of a specific gadget in a particular warehouse. To simplify this, I've created an Excel table that organizes this information efficiently. Table description. You can see the heading, Electrical Gadgets in the Warehouse. Below it are 4 columns, and these columns are in the first row of the table. Warehouse. Fan. AC. Fridge. Under the warehouse column, we have warehouse 1, warehouse 2, and warehouse 3. Here's the inventory. In row number 2, warehouse 1, 100 fans, 50 AC, and 20 fridges. In row number 3, warehouse 2, 75 fans, 30 AC, and 15 fridges. In row number 4, warehouse 3, 50 fans, 20 AC, and 10 fridges. This data spans the range A3D6. Now, look at the bottom of this table where we have the syntax for VLOOKUP, equals VLOOKUP, fridge, A3D6, 2, false. Fridge is the lookup value. A 3D6 is the table range, which includes the column headers. The number 2 refers to the row where we want Excel to find the value for fridge. The result is 20, as you can see. However, this basic VLOOKUP function requires manual input every time we change the warehouse or gadget. Automating with drop-down menus. To make this process dynamic, I've added a drop-down menu in cell A7, where you can select the warehouse. Another drop-down menu in cell B7, where you can select the gadget. In A8, we use the formula, equals 1 plus mid, A7, 11, 1. In cell A7, the selected warehouse name, example warehouse 1, contains 11 characters before the warehouse number. The mid, A7, 11, 1, function extracts the number after warehouse dash. Since our data rows start at row 2, we add 1 to align the warehouse number with the correct row in the table. This logic applies to warehouse 1, warehouse 2, and warehouse 3. Finally, in C7, we use the modified HLOOKUP formula, equals lookup, B7, A3D6, A8, false. This formula dynamically retrieves the quantity based on the selected warehouse and gadget. Demonstration. Select warehouse 1 in the first drop-down, A7, and fan in the second drop-down, B7. The value 100 appears in D7. Change the warehouse to warehouse 2, and you'll see the value change to 75. Switch to warehouse 3, and the value updates to 50. Now, change the gadget to AC, and you'll see the value update dynamically. For warehouse 3, the result is 20. Finally, select fridge, and you'll see 10 as the value. Key benefits of HLOOKUP. Speed and efficiency, instantly retrieve information without manual searching. Accuracy, minimize errors with automated lookups. Flexibility, adapt to various datasets and lookup needs. Scalability, handle large datasets and complex tables. With Lookup, you can streamline your workflow, save time, and make confident, data-driven decisions. In the next section, you will explore the effective use of the Excel Functions Index. You are watching the title, Demonstration of Excel Function Index. The index function is a powerful tool, offering greater flexibility compared to VLOOKUP. While both functions retrieve data from a table, they differ significantly in usage. VLOOKUP. Simple to use, ideal for straightforward lookups. Limited flexibility, only works with values to the right of the lookup column. Column sensitive, any changes to column order can break the formula. Index. Highly flexible, works in any direction left, right, up, or down. Powerful with match, combines with match for more control and precision. Robust to changes, resilient to data structure alterations. While VLOOKUP is sufficient for basic tasks, index, especially with match, is preferred for complex lookups, offering unparalleled accuracy and versatility. Let's demonstrate a real-world scenario. Imagine I'm a data analyst at your company. You ask me to find sales figures for specific products in particular quarters. Instead of searching manually, I'll use the index function. Step 1. Preparing the inputs. I've created 2 drop-down menus. C3, select a product, product 1 to product 9. D3, select a quarter, quarter 1 to quarter 4. To generate numerical codes for these selections. In A3, I used equals mid, C3, 9, 1. In B3, I used equals mid, D3, 2, 1. These codes serve as row and column indices for the index function. Step 2. Applying the index formula. The data range is B5 E13, representing sales figures. In E3, I entered the formula equals index, B5 E13 A3 B3. Explanation. B5 E13, the table range. A3, row index, product. B3, column index, quarter. Step 3, Observing the results initially, the result in E3 is hashtag value. Because no product or quarter is selected yet. When I select product 1 and quarter 1, the result in E3 is 30. Changing the quarter to quarter 2 updates the value to 36. Similarly, selecting product 9 and quarter 1 returns 27. This demonstrates how we've created a dynamic sales tracker, effortlessly retrieving values for any product and quarter combination. Next mission, index with match. It was a busy morning at my company's HQ, and I, Mr. Mungari Lal, the ever-reliable data analyst, had just settled into my desk when my manager rushed over with a challenge. We need the sales figures for specific products across different quarters, fast. He exclaimed. Realizing the urgency, I decided to showcase my Excel expertise. Instead of wasting hours scrolling through rows and columns, I turned to the unbeatable combo, index and match. Don't worry, I'll have this ready in minutes, I assured them with a smile. Now I am going to show you how I solved the problem. I have copied the sheet titled with Demonstration of Excel Function Index and pasted this sheet on a new sheet and changed the title from Demonstration of Excel Function Index to Demonstration of Excel Function, Index and Match. Step 1. The setup. In this Excel sheet, the sales data organized in a neat grid covered products in rows and quarters in columns. Next, I am going to use the same drop-down menus for quick product and quarter selection. Cell C3, drop-down for products, product 1 to product 9. Cell D3, drop-down for quarters, quarter 1 to quarter 4. To pinpoint the row and column numbers dynamically, I applied match. In A3, I changed the syntax, from equals mid, C3, 9, 1, to equals match, C3, A5, A13, 0, to find the row for the selected product. In B3, I changed the syntax, from equals mid, D3, 2, 1, to equals match, D3, B4, E4, 0, to locate the column for the selected quarter. Now that we have the exact row and column, you thought, it's time for index to do its magic. Step 2. Bringing it all together. In E3, I kept the formula, same as previous, equals index, B5 E13, A3, B3. Index fetched the sales figure from the data range, B5 E13, using the row and column numbers from A3 and B3, generated by match. At first, the cells A3, B3, and E3 showed hashtag N/A. Of course, I realized I haven't selected the product and quarter yet. Step 3. The magic unfolds. I selected product 1 and quarter 1 from the drop-downs. Instantly, E3 displayed 30, the sales figure for product 1 in quarter 1. My manager leaned in, intrigued. Can it handle more? Watch this, I replied, changing the quarter to quarter 2. The value updated to 36. I demonstrated further by selecting product 9 and quarter 4. The result was 117, appearing faster than anyone could say manual lookup. My manager's jaw dropped with applause. This is incredible. You've made our data so dynamic and easy to use. No more wasting time. With a confident nod, you replied, And this is just the beginning. Next, I'll show you how to use index with match to solve even more complex problems. As you saved the file, you knew you just leveled up your reputation as the company's Excel wizard. I think combination of index and match is easier than combination of index and mid. What do you think? Please write in the comments. So there you have it. We've explored powerful Excel functions like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index, mid, and match. By mastering these functions, you can streamline your workflows, make data-driven decisions, and boost your productivity. Remember, practice makes perfect. I encourage you to experiment with these functions and challenge yourself. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest Excel tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a specific Excel challenge you'd like help with. Let's supercharge your Excel skills together. Thank you for watching.